welcome back to my channel. So here I took a thick piece of cardboard. You can take any shape you want. So I will be cutting some corners from the sides to get this shape. And remember that you have to take a thick piece of cardboard, otherwise it can bend easily. So now I will be start drawing a oval shape in the center of the tray. Yeah, it's not in center, but I will be fixing it later. I will be using black and white acrylic paint, but before that I will be using just simple white glue on top of the cardboard so it don't bend or it don't lose the shape too much just because of colors. Because if you notice that whenever you apply the colors, liquid something on cardboard, it start to lose the shapes. So that's why I wanted to prevent it from this thing. Then I mix the black and white acrylic paint, dark colors, dark gray color, and I will be start drawing on the sides of the oval shape circle. And then I'm adding some more white color in the same dark gray color to get a light shade of gray to color this center oval shape. And remember that there is glue as well in colors. So now I start to take some tissue pieces which I will start to stick on this light gray shade properly on all the shapes, only on this round circle shape, oval shape. I mean, I am always saying it's circle. Anyway, then I will spray some water on it just to make it sit properly, to stick it properly with the color and the glue. Then I will start to use the brush, gray color again, to spread it all over again. I will be using again same light gray color, and I will be brushing it outward a little bit to get the shape, to get the texture properly. So at this point, the people who don't have texture paste, they can leave it as it is with the tissues only. But for me, I want to use this texture paste on top of this to get more texture for this part. So I have to use this texture paste. But in case if you don't have this paste, you can obviously leave it as it is with the tissues as well. So it was just optional to show you guys. I'm not using any kind of handles for this tray. It's just a plain tray, or you can say a centerpiece for the table, or you can hang it on wall as well if you want. So this is just a simple plain tray or the centerpiece. I made it. And now here I'm using this bronze acrylic paint to color the middle of this oval shape, and then I will be coloring the sides as well of the tray with this So before I color, I am using this craft foam to cover the rough edges of the cardboard from the sides. Then I will color it with the same bronze color acrylic paint. I'm going to show is for those people who don't have epoxy resin, or who don't want to use epoxy resin but they want to get the glossy look for the tray. So this is the thing for you people who don't want to use epoxy. They can just use the transparent spray paint to lock the colors and to get some glossy and shiny look. But for me, I want to use the epoxy resin today, so I will be using it after the spray paint got dry. I have mixed the epoxy resin 2 parts together, and here I have this black color glitter which I will be using, spreading over all the tray. So I will pour it on the tray now. And I really enjoyed this project because really it's fun to do with the epoxy resin. You can do so much stuff. So I'm planning to do some more different styles, different things with this. And here you can see this is so cheap idea. I mean, you are using just the cardboard, you style it with your own choice, and then you can just pour the epoxy resin on top of this to get a classy and unique and expensive look. So basically it's not that expensive stuff. It's just made out of cardboard, and we use some little bit of epoxy to make it classy style tray. So here I'm using this, sprinkling some black glitter on top of this while the epoxy is wet, and then I will leave it to dry completely, and then you will see the end results. I hope you like this tutorial, and I will be making some more ideas like this, easy and fast. So please subscribe to my channel, click on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.